London's Point Blank Music School Studio Sessions.
Welcome back to Point Blank Studio Sessions. My name's Henry.
And I'm Sidise.
This is where we bring you some of the hottest talent from Point Blank Music School straight to your screens.
And today we have a New Yorker in the building, singer-songwriter performing his brand new single, Rose Gold. It's Reaz.
Tell me what you're here for, lonely, or are you bold? I don't want this no more, so you lost the war. I don't want it at all. Past few months I've been talking walls, always ready to catch if you fall, but you drop me now. Never pick up when I give you a call. No emotions like it's some kind at all. Did you ever care? I can't recall. Cause you drop me now. Still feel the love, but I live that distance. Still feel the love, but I live that sickness. Don't believe that teacher hide your feelings. It's your sailing. Tell me what you're here for, lonely, or are you bold? I don't want this no more, so you lost the war. Getting restless now, you're starting to sweat. You've been wilding at me all over text. We both know what has you distressed, that I'm happy, so happy now. And I'm hanging out with somebody new. You found about it over the news. I remember when you gave me the blues, but I'm happy, so happy now. Tell me what you're here for, lonely, or are you bold? I don't want this no more, so you lost the war.
Reaz, welcome to Point Blank.
Thank you so much. So happy to be here.
That was your brand new single, wasn't it? Rose Gold.
That is my brand new single, Rose Gold. I'm very happy about it.
Can you tell us a bit of the backstory behind that song?
So, fun fact, the producer that I'm working with right now, his name is SLEYA. He is uber talented. The rapper that's featured on it, whose part I did, his name is
Quality
Heath.
name as well.
I know, right? And he
SLEYA.
slays. slays. He's one of my best friend's younger cousins, and we got connected right before I left for London for Point Blank. And it just happened to be that, you know, we connected and we were able to write a bunch of amazing songs together before we left. This was the first song that we wrote. I wrote the lyrics to it. He already had the beat. Probably about 30 minutes in, and then we went to the studio, recorded it, and everything just fit right. And so I met him through my best friend. Hey, Becky.
That sounds great.
Becky.
Thank you.
So you're from New York. I've never been, but it's such a massive place for music. So what is it that made you want to come to London?
Well, for one, I studied at university in New York City, and I think that when you have to stay somewhere for quite a bit of time studying, you want to get out and see the world. And before uni and during uni, I've always traveled all over, but I've always really been in love with the underground music scene here, and I felt like what an amazing opportunity to really go to where it all started for Point Blank, which is here in London, and interact with some uber talented kids. And I don't regret that at all. I'm actually so happy that I did it, because this city is just absolutely beautiful, and the people that I've connected with here are so talented and inspiring. I feel like I've been inspired to work so much harder and so much more because of it.
Love it. What's your favorite thing about London?
Oh my gosh, those beautiful, beautiful accents. Oh man, you guys just sound amazing. But also I have to say that I really think the culture here, there's just something about the way musicians are here that's a little bit different than in New York. I think that it's less competitive and it's much more of a, let's build each other up. That's and good. Maybe that also might be because, we're in this program together and so many of us are learning from each other. It really feels like Hogwarts for musicians.
What's your favorite spell?
Expelliarmus, because
Classic.
Yeah,
Ooh.
you know, de-arm you. It's also the first one I could think of.
And how long have you been in London?
I've been here for 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yep.
It's not a long time, but we're going to put you to the test, son.
Okay.
We're going to test your London lingo. So,
Blimey.
you know how there's always this huge difference between American words and British words. Like earlier on today, you said, what was it? Fanny pack, but we call it a bum bag.
Actually, I called it a crossbody.
Oh, all that.
In New York City, we wear our fanny packs over our chest. Ooh.
That's
So
definitely
edgy.
crossed over to the UK.
Yeah.
But we're gonna test your skills right now. So we're gonna do a little fire round with you. We're gonna give you the American word, and you've got to give us the British version. You
Okay.
ready?
See how good you are.
Oh man, I'm
Can
gonna
we get
fail.
30 seconds,
30
on the
seconds
clock, please? You ready?
Let's do it.
Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
All right. Here we go. Sidewalk.
Pass.
Ooh, pavement.
Parking lot.
A lot.
Car park.
Car
babe.
park.
French fries.
Crisps.
Yes. Chips.
Actually, yeah, I was gonna say
Fries.
No, crisps.
Oh damn. Sorry.
garbage man.
Garbage man.
We're never out of time.
No.
Bin man.
Oh,
Okay,
bin-
vacation.
Holiday.
Last
Great.
one, pants.
Trousers.
Yes.
Ooh, well done.
Good.
Thank you so much.
To be fair,
Thank you.
I'm from here and I didn't know some of those. So
I know
think
we
you
had
did
to
better than
school
me.
him before the show.
Isn't there pavement on the in the parking lot? That one threw me off for sure.
There is pavement in a parking lot. You're absolutely right.
So is that just the pavement in the pavement?
It could, yeah.
We'll get back to you on that one.
Right? I have so many questions.
You smashed it. You smashed it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for joining us, darling.
Thank you so much for having me, guys.
And catch us next time right here at Point Blank Music Sessions. London's Point Blank Music School Studio Sessions.